At this point, we have a great-looking P&L and a beautiful balance sheet. Both sheets contain historical figures only, and it is time to build a forecast. Let's use the Grouping Columns tool and hide percentage variances we've calculated in these two columns. I only have to press Alt, Shift, and right arrow, and the columns are grouped. If I press here, I can hide the two columns. Most professionals prefer hiding columns by using this functionality, and not the actual hide command. The reason is that, at all times, we can easily see there are some hidden rows and columns. This is where we'll have our forecast. Let's make it clear by highlighting a cell above this area and labeling it Forecast. I'll extend the cell for 5 columns, as we will have 5 forecast years. Good. Let's copy the formatting of one of the columns of the P&L and use paste special formats to have it across all 5 forecast columns. Okay, that's perfect. The years we will have in our forecast period are 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. In addition, I would like to copy the formulas of all subtotal and total lines, as these will be used here. Very good. One last detail in the structure of this sheet is that we must build a few scenarios below this table. Therefore, I will create a box that reads Scenarios, and will use gray as a fill color. Okay, perfect. We are ready to build forecast scenarios. I'll add 2 blank rows above the table. And we'll include a scenario switch box here. Let's use a distinctive color. I like this one. Okay, this is where we will choose the current scenario from. Let's add a border and emphasize this cell even more. Perfect. The 3 financials we will forecast here are revenues, COGS, and OPEX. D&A and interest expenses will be forecasted on separate sheets, where we will carry out detailed calculations. The driver we will use to forecast revenues is percentage revenue growth. There will be a best case, a base case, and a worst case scenario. In most cases, COGS and OPEX will be forecasted as a percentage of revenues. And there will be a best, base, and worst case scenario for them as well. Excellent! I'll use data validation to add the 3 scenarios in this cell. We should be able to choose from a best, base, and a worst case scenario. In our next video, we'll learn how to build dynamic scenarios and fill in the numbers in the P&L table according to the scenario selected. This will do for now. Thanks for watching.